Now is the question number 6. A solid iron pole consists of cylinder of height 220 centimeter and base diameter 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder. See, this is the cylinder. Height is 220 centimeter and base diameter is 24 centimeter. Now there is another cylinder on this cylinder, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter. Now height of this cylinder is 60 centimeter and radius is 8 centimeter. Radius of this cylinder is 8 centimeter. Find mass of pole given that 1 cubic centimeter of iron has approximately 8 grams mass. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Now to find the mass of the iron used in this whole pole, we are to first find the volume of the cylinder. That means that the iron used in this cylinder, volume of iron used in this cylinder. For that we are to find out the volume of this cylinder. See, for lower cylinder, base radius 24 by 2 12 centimeter, because 24 is diameter. Height h is given to be 220 meter. Then volume is given by pi r square h. We put the values and so after solving we get 31680 pi cubic centimeter. Now for upper cylinder, base radius is 8 and height is 60. Again we use the formula pi r square h. It comes out to be 3840 pi cubic centimeter. Now volume of whole solid in which the iron is used is volume of lower cylinder plus volume of upper cylinder. Now we will put the values that we have found out. Now volume of solid iron pole, volume of lower cylinder plus volume of upper cylinder. Now we have put the values 31680 pi plus 3840 pi, that we have found out. This, see here, 31680 pi and 3840 pi. We have put these values. After solving we get 35520 pi. Now value of pi is given to be 3.14, that we have put, and after solving we get 111,532.8 cubic centimeter. That is the volume of the pole. Now we have to find the mass. Mass is given to be 8 grams per cubic centimeter. Means the mass of 1 cubic centimeter is 8 grams. Then the mass of these cubic centimeters will be equal to this whole figure multiplied by 8. Means 111,532.8 multiplied by 8. After solving this we get these grams, 892262.4 grams. Now these grams are to be converted into kilograms. For that we will divide this whole by 1000, because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Now because there are 3 zeros, then again we calculate from here 1 2 3, we get 892.2624 kilograms. It is approximately equal to 892.26 kilogram. That is the answer for this. Then we come to the next question, question number 7. A solid consists of right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter. See, here is the solid. There is a cone in this solid. The radius of this circular base is 60 centimeter and height of the cone is given to be 120 centimeter. Is placed upright in a right circular cylinder. This whole toy is placed in the right circular cylinder, which has a hemisphere on the base and a cone on the top. Now the dimensions for the hemisphere is given that the radius of this hemisphere is 60 centimeter. Now this whole toy is placed into a cylinder. The height of the cylinder is given to be 180 centimeter and radius is 60 centimeter. Now right is see here is placed in right upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left out in the cylinder if the radius of cylinder is 60 centimeter and its height is 180 centimeter. Now what is given? This whole vessel is placed into a cylinder which was filled in water. In the cylinder there was water. Now when this vessel is placed in this cylinder, then some of the water will flow out, and we are to find the water left inside the cylinder after putting this toy in the cylinder that was filled with water. Now for that, see here, for right circular cone, radius of base 60 centimeter, height 120 centimeter, volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h1. We put the values and we get 144,000 pi cubic centimeter as the volume of cone. Then we find the volume of hemisphere. For that the formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. We put the values and we get 144,000 pi cubic centimeter as the volume of the hemisphere. For right circular cylinder, radius is 60 centimeter, height is 80 centimeter, volume is given by pi r square h2. Then we put the values and we get it 648,000 pi cubic centimeter. Now volume of water left in the cylinder will be equal to volume of right circular cylinder minus volume of right circular cone plus volume of hemisphere. Means from the volume of cylinder we will subtract the volume of this whole toy. From the volume of cylinder we will subtract the volume of this whole toy. That much quantity of the water will be left in the cylinder. Then we have put the values, and after putting the values we have got 36,000 pi cubic centimeter of the volume of the water that is left into the cylinder. Now we are to convert it into cubic meters. Then we will divide it by 100 into 100 into 100, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 cubic meter is equal to 100 into 100 into 100 cubic centimeter. Now after solving this we have got 0.36 pi cubic meter. We put the value of pi 22 by 7, and after solving we get 1.131 cubic meter approximately. That is the volume of water left inside the cylinder. Now this is the solution for this question. You can see it once again. And the solution for question number 6 is this.